So that's my 2008 Dodge Ram diesel 6.7. Basically the check engine came on. I took it to the shop and they told me the my exhaust gas sensor it's not reading. I want to show you where that thing is. The minute you hear exhaust sensor, you would think it's on exhaust. It's not. I mean, it is, but like somewhere way up over here. So there's the sensor, and you always want to check if it's connected right. That would be the first problem. Second, you gotta clean it because they don't usually go bad. So you wanna use number 12 wrench to undo this bolt, clean inside, because this little pipe, it goes to the exhaust. And then unplug, pull the sensor out and clean it really good, and after that you'll see maybe it'll work. I mean, it should work. If not, then buy a new one, which that barely happens. So this is the sensor over here. All you need is a hook tool, number 12 wrench, and 27 socket. Now before you usually press this and pull it up, it's not gonna come up until you move this. I already pushed it that way. The red plastic, you gotta undo it, and then you press this and it comes up, because this is gonna hold it not to come up. That's why you want to undo it first. So we'll do that, and then that's the socket that you need for that. I want to pull it out to see how dirty it is. Yeah, this is bad. I don't know how good can you see it, but this is really bad. Wow. Alright, I'm gonna clean this. Yeah, you can see all the garbage over there. And then you also wanna undo this one. Pull it out. You'll have another bolt over there that's holding this bracket. I already pulled that one out. Well, the reason you're pulling this out, it's because you want to go through there and come through here with something really thin and clean everything, and then I'm gonna use the air compressor to blow some air over there. So I got this really thin wire, but this one is so plugged that it's not even going inside. Look how much garbage is on that. It's like there's no way that thing is gonna go inside right now. So look at that. Now this is bad. Oh my gosh, this is bad. All right. Blowing some air and keep playing with something thin until you pop the hole open. So look inside. I'm using really thin needle, and you see how it's coming out and in, which means the hole is clean right now. You see coming out, and it took me a minute to clean that hole. And you gotta have something really skinny. This is what I'm using. So now when I'm blowing air from inside, I do feel it that it's coming from this, where the sensor is coming out, because the hole is clean. Just want to show you again how bad this is, the sensor. I'll clean this right now. Now that's a lot. That's it. Well, time to put everything back together. And I hope it's gonna work so I don't have to buy a new sensor. Yeah, don't forget to put the red, push the red button back after it clicks. Sensor is back. That's tight. Well, my work is done here, and just want to say the simple stuff like that can cost you money. You know, if you take the car to the shop, they'll charge you who knows how much. And what you do is just go on YouTube, find everything you need, and go step by step. You can use my video too if it's gonna help. Good. If you're not, then sorry. But yeah, I mean, it took me like 15 minutes, and the work is done.